I've seen cars from century-old steam wagons to today's electric hypercars, and they all share one thing. They're built by people, and people aren't perfect. Building a car means assembling thousands of parts, and if even one is off, a weak weld, a loose wire, a paint blemish, it can cause big problems. It's not just about looks, it's about safety and reliability for you and your family. A modern car is incredibly complex with more computing power than the first moon rockets, and it has to perform in every condition. When you're driving at highway speeds, you're trusting the work of thousands of people. That's why quality control is the final, crucial promise from the manufacturer. For decades, sharp-eyed workers checked every detail, but even the best can miss something. With today's massive production volumes, human inspection alone can't catch every issue. Enter artificial intelligence, tireless, precise, and able to check thousands of points in seconds. AI is revolutionizing how cars are built, ensuring every vehicle is as close to perfect as possible. It's the new guardian of quality on the assembly line, and it's changing what you can expect from your next new car. AI in car factories isn't about movie robots, it's a super smart assistant with superhuman senses. Its job, to check every part as it's built, making sure everything is exactly right. AI doesn't replace skilled workers, it gives them powerful new tools. By training on millions of images, AI learns what perfection looks like and spots even the tiniest flaws instantly. It never gets tired or distracted, and it keeps learning, getting smarter with every new mistake it sees. Machine learning lets AI share new knowledge across factories worldwide in real time. So, AI quality control is a network of cameras, microphones, and computers forming an invisible safety net. From raw metal to final inspection, AI is always watching. It's the silent partner on the line, dedicated to delivering flawless cars. That's how your next car gets built to a higher standard. Picture a 2026 car factory, Detroit or London, where AI is everywhere. As sheet metal is stamped, AI cameras scan for microscopic flaws and instantly flag defects. During welding, high-res cameras and thermal sensors check thousands of welds, adjusting robots in real time to prevent repeat mistakes. After painting, the car enters an AI inspection tunnel, where dozens of cameras scan for dust, color mismatches, or texture issues invisible to humans. The AI creates a 3D map of the surface, highlighting imperfections for human experts to fix. Inside the car, cameras verify every wire and screen, while microphones listen for engine sounds that hint at hidden problems. AI can detect issues long before they become serious. By the time a car rolls off the line, it's been checked by AI hundreds of times. Every step, from metal to electronics, is scrutinized for perfection. The result? Fewer defects, more reliable cars. That's the new standard in 2026. AI quality inspectors use a toolbox of high-tech gear, high-res cameras, far sharper than your phone, scan every angle of every part. Thermal cameras check welds and electrical systems for dangerous heat spots. 3D scanners create digital twins of parts, measuring gaps and alignments to fractions of a millimeter. Sensitive microphones listen for subtle mechanical issues. All this data flows into powerful AI software, the system's brain. Machine learning algorithms process millions of images and sounds in real time. The AI connects visual or acoustic flaws to specific problems, learning from every car. It's the central nervous system of modern quality control. That's how today's factories catch what humans can't. For a century, quality control was a human craft, inspectors using sight, touch, and hearing to find flaws. But today's cars are too complex for people alone to check every detail. Inspectors might check a few dozen points, AI checks thousands in seconds. Humans get tired and standards can vary, but AI never loses focus and applies the same standard every time. Instead of replacing people, AI frees them from repetitive tasks. Now skilled workers supervise the AI, review flagged issues, and train the system to get smarter. They focus on solving root causes, not just spotting symptoms. The result: fewer errors, more consistency, and better cars. AI does the heavy lifting, while humans do what they do best: problem solving and continuous improvement. It's a partnership, not a replacement. The future of quality control is human expertise, powered by AI precision. That's how factories deliver excellence at scale, and it means better cars for everyone. What does all this mean for you? Safer, more reliable cars. AI catches tiny flaws before they leave the factory, preventing breakdowns and ensuring your car performs in emergencies. Fewer defects mean fewer recalls, a huge relief for owners and a massive cost saver for manufacturers. Fixing problems on the line is far cheaper than fixing them later or recalling thousands of cars. These savings let companies invest in better, safer, more innovative vehicles. For you, that means tighter panel gaps, flawless paint, and electronics that work from day one. The result is a car that feels solid, reliable, and well-built. In 2026, brands using AI earn trust by delivering consistent quality. You get peace of mind and a better driving experience. That's the real impact of AI in your next car. Of course, bringing AI into car factories isn't easy. These systems are custom-built, expensive, and must be ultra-reliable. Factories can't afford downtime. Training AI requires massive amounts of data, millions of images labeled by experts. If the data isn't good, the AI won't be either, leading to missed problems or false alarms. False positives, flagging good parts as bad, can frustrate workers and slow production. Fine-tuning AI to catch real issues without crying wolf is a constant challenge. There's also the human factor. Workers need new skills to supervise and work alongside AI. Companies must invest in training and upskilling, turning inspectors into data analysts and AI supervisors. The goal is a partnership, humans and AI working together to build better cars. It's a big shift, but the payoff is worth it. Overcoming these challenges means higher quality and safer vehicles for everyone. The future of car manufacturing depends on getting this balance right, and that's how AI is reshaping the industry. What's different about 2026? The AI is smarter than ever. Old systems followed simple rules. Today's AI understands context and nuance, almost like a human expert. Generative AI can create a perfect digital model of a part, spotting flaws it's never seen before. This makes it incredibly powerful at catching new, unexpected problems. Speed is another leap. AI now analyzes data in real time, making instant decisions. Cloud connectivity means lessons learned in one factory are shared globally in seconds. The whole network gets smarter every day. AI is also moving from just finding problems to predicting them, flagging machines for maintenance before they fail. This shift from reactive to proactive quality control is a game changer. It means fewer mistakes, less downtime, and better cars. In 2026, AI isn't just checking cars. It's preventing problems before they start. That's the new frontier in manufacturing, and it's raising the bar for everyone. So, what does all this add up to? The best-built cars in history. AI is the invisible guardian on the assembly line, checking every component with unmatched precision. It empowers skilled workers, bridging human craftsmanship and digital perfection. This partnership means fewer mistakes and higher standards. For you, it's confidence, knowing your car was inspected more thoroughly than ever before. Superb fit and finish, flawless electronics, and top-notch safety are now the norm. You spend more time enjoying your car, less time worrying about repairs. As AI gets smarter, quality will only improve. The future of car building is complex, but with AI, manufacturers are ready for the challenge. Next time you see a new car, remember the intelligent system behind its perfection.